In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to learn Freshbooks efficiently in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're a new user looking to get familiar with this cloud-based accounting software, or you're hoping to brush up on your Freshbooks knowledge, you've come to the right place. I promise by the end of this guide, you'll have a solid foundation to navigate and utilize Freshbooks like a pro. Let's dive in. Firstly, let's start at the very beginning. Navigate to the Freshbooks website. This might seem like an obvious starting point, but it's where everything begins. The Freshbooks homepage is designed with the user in mind, offering a clean and user-friendly interface that makes your journey into learning Freshbooks as smooth as possible. Once you're on the Freshbooks homepage, your next step is to find the Resources section. Now, this might not jump right out at you, but it's typically located on the navigation bar. Think of resources as your gateway to an array of valuable information. Here, Freshbooks has pooled together tutorials, guides, and helpful articles specifically designed to aid your learning process. Upon clicking on Resources, you'll be presented with various options. Look for the Learning section. This is where things start getting exciting. The Learning section is curated to provide you with educational material tailored to different aspects of using Freshbooks. From getting started guides to advanced tips and tricks. It's all there, waiting for you to explore. Next up, among the options under the Learning section, you'll want to click on Reports Library. Now, why the Reports Library, you might ask? It's simple. Understanding how to create, use, and analyze reports is crucial to managing your finances effectively in Freshbooks. The Reports Library offers a comprehensive collection of resources on everything reports related. Whether you're looking to understand your profitability, track expenses, or analyze your sales tax, the Reports Library has got you covered. Finally, here comes a somewhat hidden gem on the Freshbooks learning journey, the support webinars. To get there, you'll have to scroll all the way to the bottom of the Reports Library page. It might take a moment to find, but I assure you it's worth the scroll. Click on Support Webinars to uncover a treasure trove of learning opportunities. These webinars are essentially live interactive training sessions led by Freshbooks experts. They cover a broad range of topics, from introductory walkthroughs to deep dives into specific features, and the best part, you get to ask questions and receive answers in real time, making it a highly effective way to learn. But that's not all. Here are a few additional tips to enhance your Freshbooks learning experience. 1. ***. Engage actively. While watching webinars or browsing through guides, have your Freshbooks account open in another tab. This allows you to immediately apply what you're learning, reinforcing your understanding through practical application. 2. ***. Explore regularly. The world of Freshbooks is dynamic, with new updates and features being introduced regularly. Make a habit of exploring the What's New section under Resources to stay updated. 3. ***. Use the search function. If at any point you find yourself looking for specific information, don't hesitate to use the search function available on the Freshbooks website. It's a quick way to find the resources you need. 4. ***. Reach out for help. And lastly, never underestimate the power of asking for help. Freshbooks has a fantastic support team ready to assist you with any questions or concerns. Plus, engaging with the community forums can also provide you with valuable insights from fellow users. In conclusion, learning Freshbooks doesn't have to be daunting. By following these straightforward steps and making the most of the resources available, you'll be on your way to mastering Freshbooks in no time. Remember, it's all about taking it one step at a time and leveraging the wealth of knowledge Freshbooks provides through its well-structured learning materials. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide helps you navigate your Freshbooks learning journey more effectively. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.